but so we're gonna unwrap it, okay? We're gonna unwrap the burger. And here it is. It looks like a normal Wendy's burger. It is a cheeseburger. So, should I just remove the oyster? Yeah. At least the burger looks... Guys, should I put the one ginormous fry in it? I'm gonna do that, okay? Give me a sec. I think I should I go heat it up again? I just heated it up, but I don't know. This is one guy burger and fry. Oh my god. This is a plank that I was trying to make all these years. Oh my god. It's trying to convert into a potato, basically. Oh, they can't be saved? Oh. Do I have the formula? Yeah. I mean, yeah. Yaman! What is this? Why is it clumped together? What is that? I don't think this is normal! Why is it like a square? Oh my god! Yeah, maybe this is SpongeBob. This is SpongeBob himself. Oh my god, this is so funny. What the hell? My cheeks hurt from laughing. Take a bite? Okay. Wait. Oh wait, some fries are coming off. Hold up, some of them are coming free from the construct. But only 3 of them. It's like the food that Neptune made a lot in the competition episode. Sorry, thank you, arigato. You should slot in the burger above the patty. I could do that, couldn't I? Okay, so thank you.